Hi everybody, Joanna here from Fresh Press Patterns. Welcome to this video, actually a little tutorial on how to sew a bust dart and why you should stop sewing them in a straight line. And so what is the purpose of a dart in a garment in general? There's one of two ways of taking a fabric, which is two-dimensional, and creating space for our three-dimensional bodies. So you can do it through either using a lot of fabric and adding a lot of ease and volume, and thus creating that space for our lovely curves. Or what you can also do, use darts, whether it's bust darts, skirt darts, body darts, elbow darts. And then so what you're doing is you're creating room for your body and using far less fabric. So that is the point of a dart. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you the way I was taught to sew darts, which is never in a straight line, because last time you looked, we're not in the 1960s, and we're not going to be, is it the 60s that had the pointy bras? We're not in the 19 whatevers that had the pointy bras. Our busts are not straight, they're not pointy, and therefore we should not be sewing our darts in a straight line either. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so here I am using my Millie pattern to demonstrate how to sew a bust dart. Anytime you have a dart with, this is the geeky industry term, 3 points, 1, 2, 3, it's called a three-pointed dart. And you will find them obviously at your bust, at your skirt, waist, and even your pants. So the only thing that I do to mark my dart is obviously to snip the legs of the dart, and then I just use a chalk or a pencil or a pen, and then I mark the point of the dart really nice and hard. That's all you need to do. And then if you take this off, you can hopefully see the little point right there of my dart, and that is all you need. No need to draw any legs whatsoever. Now let's go and let's sew this. Okay, here we go at the machine. This is my dart. I hope you can see it. If my machine looks a little bit different to you, it's because I am going to be sewing on an industrial machine, which is what I've been taught to sew on. Let's do the dart. All you're going to do, no pins here, is pinch the legs where you've marked your notches, and then you're going to pinch the tip of your dart. No pins needed. That is another video for another day. Here we go. My machine can be a little bit loud. Let's hope it behaves itself and you can still hear me. So once again, instead of, this is my dart point, instead of sewing in a straight line, what we're going to do is we're going to sew in a bit of a curve, and as we get close to the tip of the dart, we're going to get right onto the edge, and then we are going to keep sewing off the edge. What that does is locks up your thread, and then there's no need to tie it off. Nice. My thread is skipping. Where's my tip? There's my tip. And then drive right off. There you go. So we're going to clip your thread just a little bit like this so that the thread is locked and there's no need to tie the tip of your thread. Okay, so as you can see, this dart is most definitely skipped stitches and all sewn in a curve. Otherwise, we would have gone straight like this, and we would have gotten rid of all of this space here had we sewn in a straight line. Now, because obviously our busts are not straight and pointy, by sewing in a curve, you're actually creating quite a bit more space and a better fit for your bust. So why would we not want to do that and then sew our darts in a curve and get a nicer fit in our bust darts? I hope this video was helpful, and I hope to hear from you if you have maybe tried to implement this and what your results were. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.